Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and get ready to laugh out loud with this double feature Adam Sandler DVD of 50 First Dates and Big Daddy. These two movies are absolutely hilarious. I've seen them way too many times to count, and to this day I quote both of these movies and maybe even a little bit too much. So the back of the DVD gives a short synopsis of the movies, which is great for first-time watchers, so you know exactly what you're getting into. So I'm happy that it's a double feature. You don't have to switch out DVDs. You just pop this one in and you can enjoy your movie night for many nights to come. So the 51st Dates is near and dear to my heart because it was filmed where I live, and there's a lot of places in the movie that I frequent, and there is one spot where the movie took place that a lot of people like to visit. It's a real tourist attraction. So I know when it's an Adam Sandler movie, I'm gonna have a good time and a good laugh, and I hope you will too, and that's my point of view.